Okay, y'all, so let's check it all out. So, these are the teeth. Look, the teeth caught a little bit of hell right there, see? Want to make sure they ain't none of them loose or nothing. There's a big rock behind that one. We're gonna take the panels off and look inside. And I haven't taken that panel off yet. That one right there. I don't really feel like fooling with the grease, the belt, and all that tonight. Well, it's well, I don't feel like fooling none of that. But I might. Let me get in here and see what it is, what everything is. But I don't really see it scarred up that bad. Of course, you know, that ain't nothing. But you see, if you look on the back side here, if I just had a piece of steel just hanging down maybe 2 inches, right? Then that might catch some of that wood where it doesn't shoot it under the machine. See, it just shoots it between the tracks. I'm not doing that today, but these are just things that I'm seeing. Of course, I got heavier chain than that. I could do that. And there's a bar here that you can, you know, I don't even see how that damn bar stayed there. But let's take this off and see what kind of, see if the belt's worn or, you know, anything like that. Well, the belt feels tight as it was. Yeah. Well, everything feels really tight. Nothing got knocked loose or anything. One little chip in there, y'all. Oh, did that work? Damn, this might not. Dude, it's gonna be borderline if it's gonna work or not. You'll take that fitting out. I believe that's gonna work. I just gotta make sure that the thread is the same. And so I know on this machine that I know of 3 grease ports. So let's roll around here to the other side. And yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna take this one out. We're gonna try to take it out. I ain't sure if I can. I'm sure I can. And that thing is moving, man. I can do it with my finger. That ain't good. It definitely needs to be in there tighter than that. Now I'm assuming that is the same grease fitting on the other side. I don't know. This might be it. See, it's too small. See, this is too small for that. What is that called right there, y'all? Do y'all know what that's called? I wonder if I should put some Loctite on that. Get some of the grease out of the threads so this Loctite will hold best it can, you know. Put a little bit on there. We ain't trying to, you know. You don't want to lose that. on the job nowhere. A little tighter, just a little bit. All right. So, man, my damn screen's hot, boy. Okay, so that's on there, right? I know what size it is anyway. So that's a 9. See what I'm gonna do is I got a bunch of 5-gallon buckets, and I'm gonna label a bucket mulcher parts. So now I already don't like the way this comes through there. So that might be something I have to address at some point. So y'all see this right here? That is not cool, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do there, but I'm gonna figure something out for sure. So I mean, there's not much to it, you know. I mean, really, everything is stout, man. No drips, no nothing. Look how heavy duty that is, man. That's heavy duty shit right there, man. You know? And there's no, you know, it's just a, hell, you could probably put tools in this thing. You could put the, I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, damn, you could have a toolbox in here. Oh, that's not a leak right there, though, y'all. That's from where I put grease in it. Yeah. I'm going to check that fitting, too, to make sure it's tight. Yeah. Let's take this side panel off, too, just to kind of see what it looks like right there. I mean, they even got a port where you can get to the fittings really easy. Look at that. And that's heavy steel. Look how thick that is, man. I mean, damn, dude, this thing right here, I mean, for sure. Wow. Let's go over here to this fitting over here. Maybe that grease in there got warmed up and came out. I don't know. Y'all seeing it just like I'm seeing it, so. Man, this thing is freaking massive, man. I can move that fitting, y'all. Damn. See, that's a problem. That fitting is spinning. Yeah, got it out with my hand. It's full of grease though, you can see it. So, okay, y'all, so that's after 6 hours of use. About 7 hours of use. Everything looks really good. This case drain right here, I don't know. I don't really like the way it comes up on the corner. See, it comes up on the corner of this box right here. That box is pretty freaking, I wonder if I got a grinder and I just grinded that down just a little bit. Just take that corner off. I can do that probably, it ain't gonna hurt it. Because if it's right here and you pulling on it, it'll puncture the damn thing, man, damn. Yeah, so Tomorrow I'm gonna be over there close to Napa, so, but now I don't think, and I might be wrong, y'all. Y'all can tell me. Damn it, so much is heavy, boy. Ooh. Now, I don't think those pine trees did that. You see that? There ain't no way that pine tree would do that. That's rock or something did that. And ain't no pine tree done that. But they're gnarly, man. Okay, I'm gonna get back. I'm done fooling with it tonight. I'm gonna take that right there with me and see if they got a piece that'll go on the end of that. I mean, surely you can buy this, right? With a different size on it. Or you could have, yeah. It's too small. The threads are too small. Okay, y'all.